Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Kat. And today is Sunday. We're going to church. I'm with my brother's girlfriend, PJ. Say hi naman, PJ. Hindi kita mapakita. Mamaya na lang. But anyway, so today is Sunday. We have a lot of errands to do. Mag-out and about lang kami in Makati kasi, you know, it's holiday season. Sobrang daming tao na dito sa Manila. At the same time, sobrang busy na ng mga tao. And traffic na kahit anong araw. So, sobrang lala na ng traffic. So, wala nang pinipiling araw, wala nang pinipiling oras. We'll just enjoy the rest of the day today and we'll just have some fun. So, come with us today. I hope you'll enjoy the vlog. See you! Bagong tumbler sa Aqua Plus kasi may nakita akong bagong tumbler na design. Hindi na ako kasi yung tumbler ko sa airport. So, we're done with the photo shoot. Maganda pa kami yung 30 minutes. Malilipot ko na kami yung shoot. Nakakapagod bumili ng regalo. Pinagkamalan ka na. Okay, we're done. Lahat sila meron na. Nakakapagod. Mamili ng size. Na. Lakas sa boses. Anyway. Para sa kapatid ko yan. Wow. You're so sweet naman. Cheers. Ang sabi. Kasi magkakulay kayo ng regata. That's why. Sa ulo prodigy. Mahal ko kayo. Merry Christmas. Sabi ni PJ, camera daw niya yung may problema. Hindi daw yung mukha. Haggard ako sa camera niya, pero sa camera ko daw. Thank you, PJ. Thank you. Fresh pa daw kasi ako dyan ganina. Tapos, pakita mo yung kasunod. Haggard na. Dami naman na namin kasi naikot. Nakapagod pala. Parang dami tao ngayon. So, sana makauwi tayo agad. Mahal ng love language natin.
Kaya kailangan mayaman.
Kaya kailangan imaman tayo. Lord, alam mo na. Very productive naman yung araw namin for today kasi nagawa namin lahat ng errands for today. Nakabili kami ng mga gifts for the guys. At the same time, nakapag-church kami of course. And nakapagpa-picture for the US visa. Yarn!
Kalaban yan. Nagda-drive, naka-heels. Hindi ka maka-heels. Wow! In our bridesmaid era! Sa susunod, saan na tayo? Anong era na tayo next? Maid. Hindi pala bride. Bride. May closure na ba? Saan ka? BFC, maglalagay ng screen protector. Magkape muna kami bago Ay! Bakit may black? Entourage.
But first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge each and every one of you for showing up and dressing up tonight. Grabe, yung mga best dress natin, no? Alright, so you look all absolutely stunning and ano yung sa Korean kawaii. Alright, so we all know that how many ba? Japanese ba yun? Eh bakit may nag-kawaii ka? Anyway, so tonight is a celebration of all the hard work and dedication we've put into making this year a remarkable one. Despite the challenges we've faced, we still emerged as victors. This year has been a roller coaster ride full of ups and downs. We've opened new doors of opportunity, closed some others, lost a few battles, but more importantly, we won many victories. I just want to take a moment to say that we see you, we appreciate you, and tonight we recognize you for your contributions. 2024 wouldn't have been as joyful to ride through if it weren't for each and every one of you. As we wrap up this year, let's take a moment to pause, reflect, and be grateful for all we have accomplished together, Funpro. Every single effort, no matter how small, has played an integral part in our journey. Always remember that every little thing that you do matters. Let's make the most of the rest of the evening, and here's to even greater things ahead. See you all in 2025. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Thank you, Kat.
Ito tayo makwento.